Nigeria. But I believe you're the epicenter. I believe that your tribe, your region, your culture needs to be and will be the breakout point for a global revival. And I want to be a part of that. And so I'm honored to be here. I'm honored to contribute to the cause any way that I can. And you have my undying commitment to that.
Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Mr. Mike. Thank you so much for knowing a lot of things that makes us happy also, because your story and why we are here is almost the same. We are moving together. We believe in things together because we believe in humanity. That is all, and we believe that all those things we are facing now is just for a short time, and we need a very strong voice and very strong team that are going to speak it in a way that the whole world will hear from us. So I have to invite Mr. Stone. Mr. Stone, if you have any question to ask Mr. Mike, then go ahead and ask questions so that if we're able to answer, we'll be answering it one by one. Thank you. Unmute yourself.